So guys, this is a video tutorial on this new live streaming app that just come out, where you'll be earning $1 per day. Be earning $1 per day for 14 days. That's $14. But on this streaming app, Nigeria is not allowed. Though Nigeria can register, but their earning is different. So for you to get started, download any VPN of your choice, because we are going to log in with VPN. So I want to download this VPN. You can see turn up bell. So just click on it. Once you click on it, create an account. So I think we are going to try another VPN that has India. This one does not have India. What I do, just go to your Play Store and search for India VPN. You can see India VPN, then download anyone there. So this is one I did. So now the VPN is on. So let's now click on the link. So once you click the link, I'm going to drop the link in the description below or in our WhatsApp group. So once you click the link, so you just click on download, you install it to your phone. Open. So you can log in with Google. Don't forget, you must on your VPN before you open this app. So let's log in with okay, you mark this thing at the down, this stuff at the down before you can proceed this place. So once you do that, click on Google to sign up with Google or email, anyone you have is comfortable for you. So just choose your email. So you choose your gender. So I'm a female, so you choose female. Then I think this first one is your username. Just put your username. You understand? I say just put any age. Just put any age. Well, it's not than 18 years old. Let me put 90. Then I'll put any age. Then confirm. Then click on start the join. So I've eventually log in. Just click on, so they'll welcome you. So come to me, because before you go live, your reward just cancel it. Go to my at the down. You need to put the agency code, and that's what is going to be giving you that $1 per day. You need to put that agency. So yeah, you are going to click on verification. So you need to do verification before they can give you that bonus. So click on verification. So once you click on, you need to join agency. I'm going to drop the code in the comment section, in the description of this video, or in my WhatsApp group. So you click on join agency. I'm going to paste my own agency code there now. So you are going to put it, let me put my own. So once you put it, just click on next. I'm going to drop it in the comment section below. So you need to confirm your agency successful. So that is it. That one has gone. Then you just go back. You can see the agency has marked joined. Then the second one is verification, where you are going to verify your face. You understand? You are going to upload your picture. So you choose picture from your gallery. So once you upload, just do your face verification. It's very simple. Just set your face there. Then once it's successful, click on next. So go back So click on that verification again to check if everything has go well. You can see everything has go well. So you can now go live. Let's go live and check the 5,000 this thing. So this is where you are going to go live. You come to this live, then you are going to click on this place, this live. So let's why using this live. So once you go live, you will need to upload the cover this thing at that top. You click on it, then you select the picture that you want to put there. So let me just choose one picture here. So you can see at the top I've put picture there. Then you cannot click on go live. So once you click on go live, you need to verify your face again, just to confirm that it's actually the person. So just follow the instruction and it will be successful within few minutes. You understand? So once it's successful like this, you can then click on go live. So click on go live and it will start the live. So it's very simple. Make sure that you follow the step. Don't do mistake. Make sure that you choose Indian. Then click on this yellow ball. So for us to check that 5,000 coin per hour. Note, you can see the 5,000 per hour. If you choose Indonesia, it's going to be 1,000. And if you use Nigeria, it's not even it will not even get up to this place. But if you use India, you'll be getting 5,000 diamond per hour, which will even make you earn more. You can see 1 hour you get 5,000. If you stay up to 2 hours, you get another 5,000. That's 10,000 diamond in a day. And this is not compulsory for you to just stay throughout that 2 hours at once. You can be doing it 30 minutes. Maybe you do 30 minutes now, you log out, you come back again, you do 30 minutes. And if you can do everything at the same time. So that's just a simple step on how to go live on this place. Once you have $10, you can withdraw. It is free. You are not paying anything. So that's basically on how to register on this website. If you get value from this video, make sure that you follow this page, like, comment and share. Bye bye.